I put away the old dishes, wash new. Might have to wash a few more because I decided to work on the fridge. Yeah, I mean, it's all new food. It's just that, like, we have a lot of leftovers and they just have big containers, which is kind of annoying to, like, wash. Big containers to switch over to the smaller ones, but, you know, whatever. But yeah, it's kind of like a lot. Let me see if you can actually see. Can you see? Yeah, alright, yeah. So, yeah. And then I feel like we actually have a lot of bread, so maybe I was going to move this one a little bit higher. But we shall see. So, yeah. Alright, so I have wiped down the fridge. This is everything that was in there. Well, not really, because I still left the door the same. And then there's stuff over here. And then the ham's definitely not good anymore. But then I also liked that they're both the same height though. Alright, so it's looking way better. This took kind of forever actually. But yeah, I ended up moving food into smaller containers because we had already like ate through like half of the container. But I had to wash way more dishes, so I mean that kind of sucked. But now everything fits. I guess I'll have to get used to these moved up, but it's alright. But yeah, so bread stuff was already there. Now it's better because the shelf is a little bit higher. And then the salad stuff, also I lifted a little bit higher, just so that I can have more space. And in the middle I keep leftovers, but they had floated above because there was just a lot of stuff. Anyway, that's it. What our little magnets look like, and then on top of the fridge I have our fan. Although I want to get rid of the black lines I drew on his forehead. So anyway, our two chickens, well, our rooster and a chicken, our two cats, and then us. I only made this cat. And anyway, I guess as for this, it's like, I think I actually had tied it up a little bit. Actually, no, I didn't. So, I'm just gonna put away a couple things. But anyway, the closet that I wanted to work on is this. Why does it keep doing that? Okay. So anyway, yeah. Basically, I just want to move all the backpacks back to here because some of them are like here somewhere. And then we got a Sam's Club membership. And so now we have like big bulky items like these paper towels and stuff. So I want to organize that better. The only thing that I foresee myself decluttering is the paperwork that I was talking about. And specifically, I think I'm gonna get rid of like most of non-college stuff, and I'm gonna get rid of grad school stuff because I hated grad school. But I think I actually have whittled that down, so I don't know how much less it's gonna be. And then we have our camping stuff, and then up there is some booty stuff. Booty's stuff. It feels weird saying his name. Usually I just call him Babe. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Alright, sorry, I also forgot that I wanted to show off our snack thingy that I organized over the weekend. Ow. Look how cute it looks! Anyway, I used, I used these black boxes that came from Restrooms. And then I also got these red bins. So I did that for the beans and flour. And then there's a cereal on top. And yeah, that's it. I mean, ideally I would have liked to have these up here, but these are too tall. And then ideally I would like to have the soda down here, or energy drinks. I don't know what it is. It's like a juice, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, and then we went pretty good. Because we've been working out, it kind of like motivates us to not drink as much soda, but I still have that. Anyway, okay. Oh wait, one last thing. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. I did that. So I had them in 2 containers and I moved them because the mandarins got lower. And the candy had bothered me, so I moved it to a little one. And then I got rid of 2 candies that were kind of big. Because I don't like them, and apparently Uli doesn't either. But yeah, I'm gonna give those to my mom. And then I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I should do this first. I forgot about that. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm at least gonna record a little bit. Oh my god, babe, I found your machete. He was looking for this. I don't know what this is. Let me tell you about the story of my green duffel bag. Let me tell you. Alright, can you see me? Alright, you can see me. Oh gosh, it looks creepy. Okay. So, anyway, this duffel bag I used for college a lot, for school trips, I don't know. And then I washed it, and then I got little bubbles, and I was like, oh, one day I shall replace it, but I still even used it for work trips and blah blah blah. And then I was like, I should really buy one because, you know, look at that, it looks kind of ugly. And then I got this, and then I realized that this is fucking huge. So then, and then recently I was like, maybe I should replace it again, and I bought this from Amazon, but it is slightly too small, and honestly this one is still better made, even though it has the stupid bubbles. Okay, let me see. I don't even know if you can tell, but anyway, it has these bubbles, but I'm still gonna keep it because it's just such a perfect size, you know. So yeah, that's it. So, and then in this duffel bag, there's another one, which I feel like this one was ripped, but I'm not sure. Actually, no, I think I did toss out the other one that was ripped. Oh, see, it's like this is a little bit bigger, like longer. Which, I mean, I guess, I don't know. Whatever, I get a little better. And then a lot of the times when my husband and I was gonna say boyfriend, all that. My husband and I like go on trips. They're usually like short, like 2-3 weeks. What? 2-3 days? So sometimes we just share like a big duffel bag, so I mean, yeah. And then this is our, what's it called, our day backpack, because it's like a lunchbox too. But that was really, actually we didn't go on hikes, but we did go paddleboarding. And then this backpack is all ripped up and shit, but I still love it. Don't really use it out, but I just use it to store my stuff. And then these, yeah, so this is like my fancy bag that I use for like to go, yeah, that I use for like weddings and stuff. But honestly, I was like, you know what, it doesn't fucking matter. Even for my wedding, I was wearing, well, not that I wore it, I left it on a chair, but I just had my bright ass pink bag because it just holds more. And yeah, but I still like this. And then these I don't really use. I think I just overuse them, and I just like, that's it. I just overuse them and I'm kind of a little over them. And then this one doesn't have a zipper, so, but I do like it. I think I used it for like a work trip. Maybe, actually no, it was this one, because like I can actually fit like folders in here with paperwork. Yeah, I mean, I think 3 extra bags isn't bad. And then I have a, what is it called? A strand for one of the purses, but I just have it in my thing, in my drawer. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna keep everything. I was trying to see if I could put this in here, but maybe not, because I won't remember. And Odie got this for a concert. We don't really go concerts very often. I guess we have gone a few, but usually they're not super strict about shit. But I guess it's kind of like a festival, like a little one. Well, I guess it's not the little, but anyway. So I guess that doesn't fit in there. What are you guys doing? So cute. So cute. So cute. She just scared me. Oh. Ooh. This box has all of my school shit. But I already have an idea of what I'm gonna keep, although I feel like it's not that much. Yeah, I mean, it's not really gonna make much of a difference, actually, because, you know. Well, so duffel bags, backpacks, the picnic bag. Maybe I could actually, well, that's fine. And then I have camping stuff, but also just like, I was gonna say random things. Random things like this beach thing. Oh, and then this is like a snow gear. That's what is. And then tennis. I think that's like the rock band game thing. And then what is sentimental stuff. And then yeah. Okay. Is that I fixed it, but I didn't fix it very well. Like it still works. But I want to transfer stuff and then give it to him. And then this, I wanted to have it out like on display, although I don't know, it was like for my workspace, and you guys know the story. And then in this box is like the material to like open and blah blah. Here I have some electronics that I can take this out. And I think it's just mostly because of the pictures that I want to transfer eventually, but anyway. So, see, like, he keeps fucking, stop doing that, te vas a machucar. Okay, anyway. I'll be back. Oh, see, now I fucking moved it back. Okay. I'll be back. Hello? Alright, so I finished sorting through all of this. I actually will be able to close it. I kind of like what she did though. Let me show you why. So this is the pile that I'm going to get rid of. Some of it shall shred, some of it shall just get the staplers out. Most of it was like research papers that I'm probably not gonna read again. I did leave some that I thought were interesting, but I'm probably not gonna read them, but I don't know. Grad school made you just read a bunch of stuff. And then these notebooks are actually filled with work notes, so I'm gonna move it back to with the work stuff. Although technically I feel like I don't really need them because it's mostly like to-do lists, and it's just like kind of what I was using as a planner basically. But anyway, look how cute this one is. Oops. I did not paper mache, but Mod Podged it. I don't know what to call it. I think I already talked about this, and then this is just a notebook with blank pages. I ripped up the stuff that I was written on, so most of it is maybe like a third left, but sometimes I need just like white paper. Oh, I guess there's a couple. What the heck was that? I don't know. And then anyway, this is what that looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna stack this back on top of this, but now with this lid. I did put this laptop here, but now I'm kind of regretting that decision because I might crush it. I mean, it doesn't work very well. That's why it's in here. But I want to recover some things, but you know, that will be another day. Actually, I wonder if maybe this laptop fits in here too. No. Oh, what the fuck? It does fit. Or maybe not. Yeah, it does. Cool. And then this is my chemistry book that I still keep because I'm like, what if I want to learn chemistry one day? Anyway, so I'm gonna stack these two things up and I'll be back. Alright, so a few more things left. My hands are gonna start hurting after unstabling stuff, so I mean that kind of sucks. But anyway, these research papers kind of give me some stirs, so I guess I'm gonna keep them. So yeah, which means I have to get through all that. But anyway, so those are going back there. And then this still needs to be shredded. And then I forgot that I found a poem I wrote. How embarrassing. Like in high school, and we've been writing music. So anyway, I already have a beat. Hella embarrassing. But anyway, I don't think I was even like sad when I wrote this. I don't know why, but anyway. So here goes. Dark, gloomy day, nobody smiles, nobody laughs. Silence is what fills this. I had the beat and then I lost it. But anyway, so far it's dark, gloomy day, nobody smiles. Then it doesn't work. Okay, anyway, the point is that that's the beat of the song so far. Or what? Anyway, so I took it out of my high school little folder that I have. Actually, I didn't have that much high school or other stuff, so I just like younger years, so I just left most of it. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go climb and try to get that in there, and then we shall shred this, and I think I'm done. Alright, actually, so putting the papers back actually wasn't bad. I don't even remember if I showed this, but anyway, so I put the paper stuff here. I could also stack more paper stuff over there. Like, I mean, like, this time. Alright, I guess I can't really show you, huh? Because then it's... Alright, so I finished shredding. I'm gonna, put my chickens. I saw this really pretty cat outside. Kind of look like my cat. Like a dark gray. But I was okay with it because he had a rat hole, but then he kept eyeing my chicken, so then Okay, y'all can stay outside just for a bit. Okay, we're holding up the sticker contest together. Should have been fixed. I should come better so much just Alright, so today I'm gonna go through the medicine. I also have the counter filled with everyday vitamins and painkillers. So I wanna organize that too because it looks really ugly out on the counter. But you know, you do have to have it out to remember. So anyway, yeah, she'll probably just do like before and after is not much progress, but yeah, right. Alright, so I finished organizing this. These are mostly already in bags, but then there were some that had crept out. So I put band-aids and stuff in here. Most of them in here already. And then this bag, I just put random little bits of medicine here and there. And then in this one, I put all the travel ones. In the back, I put backstock. And then here, I put kind of like the most used at the front. And then I kind of try to put kind of like the, what is it called? Like the flu stuff. And then that's the same. I keep saying kinda and like, I'm sorry. Okay. And then I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, so I ended up using this box that had the entryway. So now I have to deal with entryway. But anyway, it looks kind of ugly. Medicine bottles are just fucking ugly, I don't know. And then I have my little box here to remember to take them every day. And then I have the 2 prescription painkillers. I'll put them right here. That's my name's lady. So yeah, it's alright. Oh, and then my husband had his allergy pills. I ended up taking some of them out right there, and then I had to put the box back in the other cabinet. So now it kind of ruined it a little bit lightweight, because I had to move that yellow box up there, but it's still good. And then technically we like fill up the little blue thingy on Sundays, and then the painkillers I'm putting them out here because I'm supposed to be taking them 3 times a day. I think I've only been taking one of them 2 times a day. So yeah. Alright, bye. Off to the entryway, I guess. Okay, so okay, there we go. So this is the stuff that was in the entryway, except okay, so all of this stuff was in my box, and then this was in Cody's box. So I brought this this is pretty much empty from the nightstand in the guest room. I brought this bag. I got these bowls